What is up, YouTube? We're back again with another mini dirt bike video. It's kind of windy and gusty out here, but we're on our way to go get some gas.
So I haven't filled this thing up at a gas station in such a long time. I have about maybe a little less than a quarter of a tank. So we're gonna put like $1.50 in, only cause like that's all I really need. About $1.50. It's not a big tank at all. We're in a school zone, okay? We're heading to H-E-B, my favorite spot. So we're at my favorite spot right now. We're just gonna go get some gas because I am in desperate need of gas. So we're gonna head over there right now. Whoa! Woo! I've never taken it over here at the H-E-B gas station, so it should be a little bit interesting. Oh, that's perfect. No one's here. Why are you going so slow? I don't know. I think I'm gonna buy a Ducati Scrambler if I do end up getting like a street bike. But I have no idea what I want to get because there's so many good choices as my first. Wow. How did I screw up that shift? There's so many good choices as like a first street legal bike. Like I want, dude, there are so many cops out. What is going on? Okay, let's calm down. Like I would like to get as my first bike like a Yamaha R3. But the price tag on them is kind of pricey. And you know, I'm still I don't even have my normal driver's license yet. So if I get pulled over by a cop, I'm kind of screwed. But it's okay, that's never gonna happen. I'm too fast.
Nah, fam. Nah! Nah! The popo! I don't mess with the popo! Get me out! I'm gonna leave.
Alright. So, what we've learned today is that there are a ton of cops out. A ton. Bigger exterior right there. Yeah. There's a ton of... What the heck? I just had a bug to smack me on my cheek, on my cheek. Okay. Well, he's not following us, so that's pretty cool. Oh no, these people are gonna judge me. They're gonna mentally judge me. Don't judge me. Please mind me. They're judging me. I know it. They're like, ah, what a small bike. What they don't know is that I actually have a full-size bike. Boom. Oh, snap. Look who we got here. Got my buddy. My pal. My friend. Hey, where are you going? Hold on. Time to do some true MX. Oh, I done screwed up this time. Oh, dude, that hurt. I thought it was gonna be softer, but apparently not. It's pretty hard. There better be no cop up here, man. I'm gonna be pissed. Little pigs! Alright, we're not gonna go fully up there. But we'll come over here. Okay. You following my drift? We'll come over here. Come up here. Okay? And we'll have some fun in here.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, we're gonna go up that one. I'm high-centered. Okay. Oh no! You're gonna end up with a flat tire! Oh, it's funny.
Oh my god. Wow. Okay, well, that happened. What the? Wheelie! It's at your buttocks, your gluteus. Whatever.
What do you want? Huh?
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Woo! Hey, Aaron. You want to do the outro or you want me to do it? The outro? I got this. Deuces.